Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to start with number 32, and we're going to look at it and see that the question says that A and B are parallel. Well, this line right here that I extended is a transversal and cuts through those parallel lines, making 3x congruent to 22 and 80. We're going to ignore that line that cuts those two angles. But what we know about alternate interior angles, it's that they are congruent. So I'm going to take 3x and set it equal to 22 plus 80. 3x equals 102, 22 plus 80, and then divide by 3, and divide by 3. X equals 34, and that's 23. Moving down to 33 through 35, we're going to use this figure below to determine if the lines are parallel. Remember, when we're trying to prove parallel, we have to use converse of whatever it is. Alternate interior, alternate exterior. So the first thing they tell us is that angles 1 and angle 7 are congruent. Well, if I'm looking at line A and line B, and L is the transversal, I would say that angle 1 and angle 7 would be alternate exteriors. So I can say that A is parallel to B, and my justification would be converse of alternate exterior angles. Okay, so the next one, 34, 9 and 11. These two angles right here are congruent, which is great. However, if we look at that relationship, they're vertical angles. Vertical angles can't prove lines congruent. Parallel. So, we wouldn't be able to prove any lines here. And if we look down at the next one, 8 and 9, they add to 180. So this angle right here, angle 8, and this angle right here, together they sum to 180. Well, hopefully you remember same side interior angles. And we could say that the converse, remember, when proving lines parallel, of same side interior would prove the two lines parallel. Now look at what two lines they're associated with. They're associated with L and M. So we would say lines L and M are parallel to each other. It's not touching A at all over here, so A has nothing to do with it. And that would be proving these lines parallel. Make sure that you're using the converse when it wants you to prove lines parallel. That's it for Chapter 3. Next video, we'll start with Chapter 4. Thanks, guys.